We are living in a highly challenging time. There are numerous issues of much significance to everyone's daily life that deserve the attention of scholars and researchers. In this context, the PhD research that we promote in our country has to rise up to the expectation to ensure that such research is leading to addressing problems of relevance to common man, such that the tax money paid for promoting research is yielding high dividends. It is in this context that Gulati Institute conceived the idea of organizing research capacity building program in 2021. And this program has had participants from academia, government, practitioners, and we are proud to say that if we go by the feedback that we received, there is much reason to take pride in what we have been able to accomplish. Now we are going to announce the 6th edition of the program, and we are proud to state that this program is going to be jointly organized with the Kerala State Higher Education Council. Over time, building on to our own experience, we have been able to change this program. And this year, considering the changing environment and enormous amount of database, particularly high frequency database available, we have reformulated the program with capability building in Python and other statistical packages which could help scholars in analyzing the larger datasets. I welcome all of you to this program.
Our main vision is to give an efficient research and training program for the scholars and government officials. In this program, I especially recommend and invite you, all of you, to come and participate and be a proud citizen to ensure your growth and sustainability along with the state of Kerala and make our tricolor high in the sky.
This year's research capacity building program is truly unique. It offers a hands-on, beginner-friendly introduction to data analytics using Python, designed to help researchers and practitioners feel more confident working with data. What makes this edition special is its accessibility. It is tailored especially for participants from non-technical backgrounds, introducing the Python environment in a clear and practical way. So the sessions will guide participants through the basics of data cleaning, organizing messy data sets, and using simple but powerful tools to explore patterns and relationships in data.
The 6th edition of RCBP, gift in collaboration with Kerala State Higher Education Council, has some peculiar features. We are having an optimal mix of statistical understanding and familiarizing you with the Python environment, as well as whatever knowledge you have gathered from all these exercises, translating it into an effective writing part. So these three things actually connecting and offering a peculiar experience for the participants. As far as this 6th edition of RCBP is concerned, basically it's a 3 months long program which is offering completely online. And another speciality of this program is it has been offered apart from the regular office hours.
Every researcher has a question, every student has an idea, every professional has a challenge. But today, the answer lies hidden in the data. That's why the research capacity program is here, a 3-month journey that takes you from data confusion to data confidence. We start at where you are with no coding experience and guide you step by step through Python programming, real-world datasets, and powerful tools like Panda, Matplotlib, and machine learning models. Classes are flexible, interactive, and designed for busy scholars and working professionals alike. And the best part, by the end, you will have a capstone project, your own data story ready to be presented to the world.
As you are all aware that we are currently living in the arena of big data and big data analytics. For anyone who is an aspiring student, be it in the job market or trying to pursue research in academia, these skills are very important. So to fill this gap, the RCBP program is conceived mainly targeting the undergraduate students, postgraduate students, research scholars, and people who are already working in corporate policy circles.
This is the 6th edition of the program. Last 5 editions, we have introduced some innovation for its implementation, whether it's content or syllabus or the software. And this year also, we are not breaking that trend. This year, we have come up with the Python for this program. I think this is going to be a very effective and innovative program for the students and scholars.
This program has been designed to give you the hands-on skills to work with data confidently, and even if you are a complete beginner. So, over the course of 36 sessions, we will take you step by step from the very fundamentals of Python programming, data analysis, statistics, and all the way up to implementing machine learning algorithms. And it is not just Python. You will also gain expertise to some platforms like Power BI, like a very powerful tool for creating interactive dashboards. And by the end of the journey, you will have the ability to turn your data into insights and create impactful visualizations.
I had the opportunity to attend the RCBP program at GIFT. There were various sessions like on research methodology, econometrics, qualitative methods in research. All those classes were very helpful, not only just in theory, but it also gave me a strong base in empirical analysis. The course also introduced me to major data sets nationally and internationally.
Research capacity building program.
RCBP.
Research capacity building program of
RCBP Research Capacity Building.
RCBP Research Capacity Building Program.
The program was truly transformative for me because the personal guidance and the sessions on research methodology, data analysis, and policy work really helped me in sharpening my approach to research. Apart from that, the courses on programming like R was really helpful for me.
The course has actually helped me to have a clear-cut understanding and cementing the basic concepts of econometrics and research methodology. And I must say that this is the first course ever I have got an exposure to the software R. And the way the course was structured and the way it was implemented with hands-on training, assignments and everything was really good.
In February 2024, I joined the Research Capacity Building Program organized by the Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation Studies. The program, which ran until April, combined online and offline sessions for researchers to strengthen their quantitative data analysis skills.